Okay, we have seen some data views in last session, and one more important point here is if you drag any dimension to the right of a measure, it will automatically get placed to the left of the measure. Why? Because measures won't
You
accept,
started recording, right?
yes,
Okay.
because measures won't accept any dimensions to its right. Let's see. If you drag any dimension to the right of measure, it will automatically get placed to the left of the measure. Let's see. Orders. Go to worksheet. Here, state, and I'll drag more order date. For example, if you try to drag right side, that will become automatically left side. Because measures won't access any dimensions to its right. Okay. Next we'll see building views automatically.
Karthik, I didn't get. Can you say again what happened there?
Dimensions. Measure won't accept dimensions right side. Okay. Even though you keep right side, that will get more automatically left side. Thus.
Okay.
Next building views automatically. In Tableau, we can build views automatically without dragging fields to the column shell or row shell. Simply, for example, category by cells. Then select control and select measure and click on show me. For example, this one. Instead of dragging, control select, then click on show me. Similarly, multiple dimensions. For category, order date, select, show. To multiple colors. Instead of dragging and dropping, control select, then click on show me on visualization. We can build views automatically. Without dragging fields to the column shell or row shell. Okay. Next we'll see one more data view. Design.
Hello, Karthik.
Yes.
Yeah, could you show the above statement once again, no? Building the views automatically in Tableau. How?
Automatically means in general, same. To create.
Because before when you showed me I couldn't see the navigation. It shows me very fast.
Yeah. Actually, for example, if I want to create some product category by sales, simply we need to drag category and here dragging sales. Okay, view will be created automatically. Instead of dragging, automatically means select product category, then press control, select sales. Here we didn't drag anything. We are not dragging. Then to just click on this visualization, any on the possible visualizations. This one.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Well, I mean, product
Control.
category, press control.
Control and select multiple fields, multiple dimensions, and press control and select multiple dimensions or measures. Finally, after selecting all the fields, you need to click on this visualization. By pressing
Oh, any of the pop-up visualization.
yes, yes.
So,
Okay.
so in such case, the measure will come on the column only, right?
Come again.
So in
Yeah.
such case,
Yes.
measure will come on
Yes.
row or okay, column.
Column. Okay. We'll see one more important data view. Design a view for title and summary. Caption customer segment wise. Customer segment wise sales for every year. Here. Customer segment wise sales for every year. Customer segment sales for every year means I should drag on to order date. Customer segment and sales control label to see values. Okay, this one. For this one, I want to give title, summary, caption. Go to worksheet. Show title. Here, to give title. Here I can give some title, customer segment here sales, and we can give, you can increase size, font, so we can increase font size, and we can change colors. I want to display. Click on OK. This will be the title, customer segment here sales, and caption. Go to worksheet, show caption. Show caption means in the bottom say it is displaying some caption. Sum of sales for each customer segment broken down by order date year. Color shows detail about customer segment. The marks are labeled by the sum of sales. Some caption. And next one is show summary. Show summary means say it will be under show me. Say. Show summary means it will display default calculations. For example, count, sum, average, minimum, maximum, median, like that for the selection. Multiple statistical calculations. Sum, average, minimum, maximum, median, count like that. Summary box.
Can we customize that summary?
See, if you want to add few more, we can add standard deviation, first quartile, third quartile, skewness. This will be the view.
Even caption also we can edit, right? If you want.
Second, edit caption, hide caption, or format.
Okay.
This one. And next we'll see different parts of data view. Okay, in Tableau, the data view also called as table. In Tableau, each data view contains some basic components. Those basic components are categorized as table components. In Tableau, data view of a table also, we can say collection of rows and columns, and it contains components like headers, panes, and field labels, marks, cards, legends, titles, captions, summary, axis. We include all those. You can say in Tableau, the data view also called as table, and in Tableau each data view contains some basic components. Those basic components are categorized as table components. In Tableau, the data view of a table is a collection of rows and columns, and it contains components like headers, panes, field labels, marks cards, legends, title, caption, summary, axis. First we'll go for header. In Tableau, data is also called as table. Table contains rows, columns, titles, marks cards, legends, captions, summary. To contain all these parts, all these components we can say. And in Tableau, data, if you go to header, in Tableau, data view headers are automatically created when we place a dimension field onto the row shell or column shell. For example, if you drag a dimension field, for example,
1 second, Karthik.
yeah,
Where is that axis?
axis. The axis is this one.
Okay, it means like y-axis, x-axis.
Yes, yes,
That's the
yes,
meaning.
yes, yes.
Oh.
Axis related to measure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll discuss in detail later.
Okay.
Yeah, some interesting discussion is there. We'll see in further. Okay, in Tableau, data views are automatically created when we place a dimension field onto the row shell or column shell. Example, this one is row header. These are headers created automatically when we drag a field onto column or row shell, and the header simply displays different names in fields of data view. In Tableau, even we can able to hide or show headers. I will see later how to, for example, add visualization, create some data view. This one is header, hide field labels for columns. If you want to hide this one, we need to right click on this one and this one. To show this one, right click on field name.
Hello, Karthik.
Yes.
Just now you said that what to hide or something, right? What we need to hide and how to show.
Headers. We are discussing about headers. If you drag a,
Yes, exactly.
yeah. If I drag a field means
Yeah.
it will automatically display headers.
How will
Table layout. So
okay.
go to analysis tab.
If you want
Table
okay.
layout. Same. Table layout. You want to show or hide, you need to enable show field labels for columns or show field labels for rows like that. These are headers.
Okay.
Headers automatically
Car-
yeah.
If I want to change instead of state or provinces, I want to give only state. So can we edit that?
Here we can rename. Yeah. Format. Just a second. We can rename. Show caption. So state or province means simply we can rename here. That's it.
Okay.
So
In
we
the
can't rename it by dragging and dropping here.
yeah, data view itself we can't rename, right?
Yes. Okay. In Tableau, data view header also automatically created. Then we place a dimension.
Constantly.
Onto row shell or column shell. Column shell. Here we can show hide headers. The header displays different names in the fields on data view. Different names based on column names. In the fields of data view. Here we can show hide headers.
Hello, Karthik.
Yes.
You said that the header displays the different names in the fields of data. What are the different names
This
actually?
different names means that for different fields, different headers.
Example?
Like one more dimension. This one. For example, this one header. This one will be header for this view. Pane, we can say this one's pane. We'll discuss in detail.
Sorry.
This one is header. This one is header.
Okay.
This one is header for the center pane. This one will be the header
Okay.
for the center pane. But this one is header. This one is header. Like that.
You mean the 2013, 2000 year of order?
This one is header. This one is header.
Okay. 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 Got it.
we can able to hide our display header. To hide, right click on existing header and uncheck show header. Right click on existing header and uncheck show header. So you want to show header, right click on the header field and select show header. Next one is
Karthik,
yes.
can you go to that header, this one, in our Tableau desktop? No, no, software, Tableau software.
Yeah.
Um, can you drag this year of order into the columns?
Okay.
Can you give quarter also?
We can view order also.
Okay. So, for example, if I this fine, but for example, if I want to give some my own header, let's say now we have 2010, 2011, 2012, 13.
Yeah.
Above this California or just below the California, I just want to give that some static header, something like let's say year or something. So is it possible? My own header.
Edit areas. See.
Okay. Okay. No, now we are I mean California. We are editing it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Just
Apart from
selected.
that, okay.
We need to give some alias name. That's it. Editing means alias name for this view.
Okay. Mhm.
Right click, then click on alias.
Okay.
Header means you are related to dimension. Then axis is related to measure. If you drag any measure, if you drag any measure field onto rows or column shell, Tableau automatically create the axis. By default, the values of the measure field are displayed along that continuous axis. Yeah. Example. State. This is the axis. If you drag a measure, axis will be created automatically. If you drag dimension, headers will be created automatically. This will be the axis.
And they are continuous, right?
Yes, continuous.
It is fixed or continuous, or it can't be discontinuous.
We'll discuss regarding continuous and discrete.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
okay. If you drag any measure, onto the rows, column shell. Tableau will automatically create the axis. By default, the values of the measure field are displayed along the continuous axis. Displayed along that continuous axis. Here also we can able to show hide axis. Able to show hide or display, able to hide or display the axis. If you want to hide the axis, right click on the axis and select uncheck show header checkbox. Right click, uncheck show header. Here also the axis will be hidden.
Again, if you want to bring back, means how will
I'll
you
show
do
you.
it?
I'll show you. I'll show you. Hide the axis. Right click on the axis and select uncheck show header checkbox. To bring back, right click on the field. Okay, right click on the field, show header. That's one. Right click on the measure here. Right click on the field and show header. If you want to show the axis, right click on the field and select show header. Next one is panes. Panes are created by the intersection of rows and columns in a table. Depending on the table type, panes might be created by the intersection of axes. Panes means small components. Panes are created by the intersection of rows and columns in a table. Depending on the table type, pane might be created by the intersection of axes. See, state-wise, example sales, and here I'll drag year also. Here, see 2010 part. This entire thing will, you can say, one pane. This entire thing is one pane. This entire thing is one pane, and straight on to colors. 2010 part is, we can say, this is one pane. 2011 part is one pane. Intersection of rows and columns. This part is one pane. This part is one pane. This is pane. For example, we can say 2010 box is one pane. And 2011 box is one pane, like that. These are panes. This is one pane. One pane. Intersection of rows and columns. Next one is cell. Cells are the smallest individual components in the data view. Collection of cells is called as a pane. Cell is the interaction of row and column. Intersection of row and column. Cells are the smallest individual components smallest individual components in the data view. Collection of cells is called as pane. Cell is the intersection of row and column. Row and column. Smallest individual components. This one is one cell. This one is one cell. This one is one cell. Intersection of row and column.
Karthik, just one question. Can we hide any particular cell?
Hiding particular cell. Not possible, I think. View data. Just a second.
Hello, Karthik. Hello?
Click on exclude. We can hide, exclude. Hiding particular cell means hiding some particular value. Okay. Hiding particular cell means hiding particular cell. Hiding particular cell means hiding particular value. That will come under filter. See, the keep mouse pointer, it is displaying exclude. If you are excluding means you are filtering that value. That will come under filter.
Again, bring back, that is what is option?
You need to remove this filter. See.
Okay.
Hiding means
Suppose when we make a filter, right?
yeah.
Karthik.
Yeah.
So when you show, I mean, could you make a Control Z back so that it would be on a filtered stage, the two values?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show when you click on then show the click filter? On the right side, it shows the information, right? When you click on show click filters, on the point. Okay.
Okay, don't confuse. We'll discuss filters in detail later. Okay.
Okay.
Intersection of row and column. Next one is marks card. If you drag any field onto the data view, the data displays using marks card. See, if you drag any field to the data view, the data displays using marks card. See, the data displays using marks card. See, marks card. This one. Line text. So text means we need to drag this one onto text values. Type. The data by default data will be displayed by using marks card. And in marks card, these are legends. Next one is title. Just now I was in title. Your in previous views. Now view. This one is title. In Tableau, if you want to add a title to data view, you need to go to worksheet tab, then select show title. Tableau automatically adds title at the top of the data view. Similarly, you can add in Tableau. If you want to add a title, title to the data view, title to the data view. Go to worksheet tab. And select show title. Tableau adds title automatically. At the top of the data view. Similarly, we can add caption summary. We have seen those also. Adding caption and summary.
Karthik, just one question.
Yeah.
Can you go to the our Tableau?
Okay.
So the title.
Worksheet. Show title, show caption, show summary. Show title.
Right. So yeah. So here we are giving one title. Can I give like a subtitle also? First I have given one title and down I want to give one more.
one more title. For
Yes.
each for every view, title will be one.
Okay. Only one title
Only
we
one
can give,
title.
right?
Yeah, for this view we can give one title.
Okay. For example, why I am asking is there may be some report. So the report name will be, let's say, country-wise total or something.
Okay.
Just yeah, just above that there may be some common title called this particular report, ODS report or something like that.
Here we'll
So
give title. Yeah, here we'll give a title. A detailed explanation will be caption. Okay.
only that we can give, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Subtitle we can't give.
Yeah, can't give.
Mhm. And is there any option, something like, there we can give some company logo or something where we can display?
Yeah, we can give. We'll see later. Okay, we
Okay.
can add. Yeah. Similarly, we can add summary and caption. We have seen already. Yeah. Similarly, the other components like caption, summary. Okay.